Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, the challenges of implementing ISO 15504, also known as SPICE, Software Process Improvement and Capability Determination. While the benefits of this standard are significant, the path to successful implementation can be fraught with obstacles. Our goal today is to help you understand these challenges and provide insights on how to overcome them. ISO 15504 provides a robust framework for improving software processes, but implementing it is not without its difficulties. These challenges can arise from various areas, including organizational culture, resource constraints. These challenges can arise from various areas, including organizational culture, resource constraints, and technical complexities. Let's delve into the key challenges you might face during the implementation process. Challenge 1. Resistance to change. One of the most common challenges is resistance to change. Implementing ISO 15504 often requires significant changes to existing processes and practices, which can be met with resistance from employees. People are generally comfortable with the status quo and may be wary of new methodologies or additional workloads. To address this, it's crucial to communicate the benefits of the standard clearly and involve employees in the implementation process. Training and education can also help ease the transition. Challenge 2. Resource constraints. Another major challenge is resource constraints. Implementing ISO 15504 can be resource intensive, requiring time, money, and skilled personnel. Smaller organizations, in particular, might struggle to allocate the necessary resources without impacting their day-to-day operations. To mitigate this, it's important to plan the implementation carefully, set realistic timelines, and consider phased approaches that spread the workload over a manageable period. Challenge 3. Complexity of processes. Complexity of existing processes can also pose a significant challenge. ISO 15504 requires detailed documentation and analysis of software processes, which can be difficult if those processes are not well defined or are inherently complex. Addressing this challenge involves a thorough initial assessment to identify and simplify complex processes before attempting to align them with ISO 15504 requirements. Challenge 4. Lack of expertise. Many organizations face a lack of in-house expertise necessary for implementing ISO 15504. Understanding and applying this standard requires specialized knowledge that may not be readily available within the organization. To overcome this, consider investing in training for key personnel or hiring external consultants who are experienced with ISO 15504 to guide the implementation process. Challenge 5. Maintaining momentum. Maintaining momentum can be challenging over the course of the implementation. Initial enthusiasm can wane, and day-to-day operational pressures can divert focus from the long-term goals of the standard. To keep the momentum going, establish clear milestones and celebrate small wins along the way. Regular progress reviews and continuous communication about the benefits and successes of the implementation can help sustain commitment. Challenge 6. Measuring and demonstrating ROI. Another challenge is measuring and demonstrating the return on investment ROI from implementing ISO 15504. Stakeholders need to see tangible benefits to justify the effort and resources expended. To address this, develop metrics to measure improvements in process efficiency, product quality, and customer satisfaction. Regularly report these metrics to stakeholders to demonstrate the value of the implementation. In conclusion, while implementing ISO 15504 presents several challenges, understanding these obstacles is the first step towards overcoming them. By addressing resistance to change, managing resource constraints, simplifying complex processes, building expertise, maintaining momentum, and demonstrating ROI, organizations can successfully implement the standard and reap its numerous benefits. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to reach out. Together, we can navigate these challenges and achieve excellence in our software processes. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.